NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
We had a nice start to our day, lots of blue skies, then some low-level clouds coming in actually from Lake Superior, believe it or not. And it did keep us a little cloudy for a couple hours, but then the sun did come out for most of us, and it was a pretty comfortable day. Now, with the dry weather in place, that is helping this ongoing flooding threat that we've been dealing with here since Thursday, with the rapid snow melt and also those showers and thunderstorms that rolled through the area. Still an aerial flood warning in effect for Brown County and Calumet County, and then river flood warnings in effect for a good chunk of rivers and streams along and south of Highway 29. The first river we'll talk about is the Little Wolf River in Waupaca County. It is slowly decreasing, so that is some good news. Right now, current stage is at about 5.5 feet. Flooding begins, minor flooding begins at about 5 feet, and it will continue to drop down. Down towards the Fox River in Green Lake County, the current stage is 14.5 feet. Now, it is anticipated to crest right around this time, and then it will start to slowly subside as we go into the next several days. The third of river flood warning is the Fond du Lac, the south branch of the Rock River, right now at 6.9 feet, and minor flooding does occur at about 6 feet, continuing to slowly drop down as we go into the next few days. Also, same thing with the Sheboygan River. It is quickly falling. It was several feet higher yesterday at this time, down to about 10 feet. And up towards Manitowoc County, we are seeing currently 12.3 feet. Flooding begins at 10 feet, and this is also slowly falling as well. Then back in Brown County, we got the East River. The actual sensor itself actually broke because of how high the river rose, but it is slowly decreasing according to the latest webcam observations, and the flood warning is in effect until Tuesday afternoon. Now, right now, it's pretty quiet. Not a whole lot going on here. We do have a level of high pressure that's across a good chunk of the central part of the United States. A very weak disturbance moving down in southern Minnesota into Iowa. That'll pass south of us, and also another system up to the north. It doesn't look like we'll have any precipitation here anytime soon. Just a little bit of an increase in cloud cover as we go into the next 24 to 48 hours. You see that coming in our way from Sunday. A little bit of cloud cover that rolls through the area on Monday. Could we maybe have a stray flurry Monday morning? Sure, perhaps, but besides that, not a big deal. Right now, our temperatures are in the mid-30s for most of us. A little bit cooler in Anago, 31 degrees at freezing up in Sister Bay, with light winds coming in out of the west and northwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, we'll cool down to 18 degrees, a little cool, so if you have to walk the dog, a good idea to grab the jacket. And then we'll warm up to the upper 30s for your St. Patrick's Day Sunday, near 40 degrees on Monday, low 40s on Tuesday, and then how about that, 51 on Wednesday, upper 40s Thursday and Friday, and back into the low 50s on Saturday. Perhaps a good sign and indication that Gulf weather might be around the corner.
We can only hope so. Just got to let the ground firm up a bit first. It's going to be soggy out there.
Right. It's a good thing we're having this dry forecast to really help that.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, Gino.